Hey guys, I'm Marli and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a really quick review slash appreciation video for a product that I recently found that I am a little bit in love with right now. Now, as you might have noticed, or probably not because I don't blame you, my lashes are slightly more voluminous and nice looking than usual. So now if you're someone like me that owns literally hundreds of lashes but doesn't know how to actually put them on your face, and then I don't use them and I just let them sit in a drawer, then you might actually like this product. So I was at the drugstore the other day and I found these guys right here, which are Ardell Magnetic Lashes. They were only $12, and most people know of the Ardell brand. It's a very famous drugstore brand. They're known for making really nice lashes at a really decent price, but most magnetic eyelashes that I've seen usually will come in parts, so there'll be pieces that you have to sit there and try to put on your face, or they'll be insanely expensive. I think the first ones my mom ever bought were like $70 or something like that, so absolutely crazy. These were $12 and they were essentially just full strips. You get one set of lashes in here, you get a top and a bottom, and it essentially just kind of sandwiches your lashes in between the fake ones, if that makes sense. So I'll try to scoot in a little bit so you guys can see. Sorry about my face being so close. If I look up a little bit, you can kind of see where they clamp together. Actually, I guess you can't really see where they clamp together too much. Oh, look crazy. I have to say, they feel very comfortable for being like little magnetic pieces that are along the lash strip, and I don't really feel it at all, so that's a big plus. I think they look great. I was really surprised with how voluminous these ones were. They did have other sets that were more everyday wear, but obviously if I wear lashes, I'm gonna go big or go home, so you know. And the other nice thing about these is the fact that there was no glue involved. So yes, it did take me a little bit more time at first to kind of get the hang of it, and like literally 20 times to get it looking like this on my eyes. But the nice thing was I could do it over and over again and just keep doing it till I got it right without messing up my eye makeup at all. So that was a big bonus. They didn't really shift too much throughout the day either. There was maybe like occasional sliding on my left one and I had to readjust it a little bit in the bathroom. But like I said, it was pretty easy to readjust and it didn't make any mess. So it was a pretty quick fix. Alright, now let's see if I can put my money where my mouth is and take one off and put one on in front of you guys to show you like how simple it is. So let's see. So taking it off, which is great because it barely comes off. Still not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So I got the top one, and here's the bottom one. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how you can tell which is the top or which is the bottom based off looking at them. I only know because I've been careful about like undoing them and redoing them every time. The strips are kind of both on the same side of the lash. It's very strange. There you go. And you see where the chunks are, that's where the magnetic strips are. So top, bottom. It's just like a sandwich, but you know, with your eyeballs, no big deal. I don't know, we'll see if the camera lens or viewfinder will be good enough. If not, I might have to jump to a mirror. Okay, just gotta set it on there. Don't breathe. It's a very important step, just don't breathe. And it helps to open your eyes up like super fucking wide. Okay, I think we got it. They look the same, okay. So, as you can see, I just did it right in front of you, took 2-3 minutes, and that was not too bad. And again, no mess, which is like my #1 thing because I don't know how to do it without messing it up. The only other thing about these is that I wasn't sure if I should trim them or not. They're a tiny bit long towards the ends here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, they kind of like almost hang off, but because I like wing my eyeliner out so much, it blends in so you can't see it, but sometimes I could feel it, so I wasn't sure if I should trim it because there was literally a little magnetic piece on the end and I didn't want to take off an extra magnet and then not have it hold properly and ruin the whole thing, so I kind of just left it as is. But yeah, otherwise I think that this is a pretty solid product. I wore it throughout the entire day and I had no issues with it, so I'll probably wear it again tomorrow. Honestly, at this point, I might even end up ditching all my regular lashes with glue if I can just do this every day instead. So We'll see. And once again, they are the Ardell lashes. You can find these at most drugstores. I think I'm gonna go ahead now and probably pick up the 2 daytime sets that are like less full and just try them out and see how I like those ones. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this review. I hope you found it helpful or informative. Please let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried them before and how you like it. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.